In a deep forest, a hen named Momi lived with her two little sisters, Nimmi and Pimmy. A short distance away, a cock named Tom lived with his younger brothers, Somi and Pomi. After their parents died, Momi took care of her sisters. Tom also looked after his brothers. Momi and Tom liked each other a lot. But Tom couldn't propose to her yet. Momi wanted his proposal, but she was still waiting. Nimmi and Pimmy often played with Somi and Pomi. They had fun together, but sometimes they fought. One evening, Nimmi, Pimmy, Somi, and Pomi were playing in the open field. They started a race, running as fast as they could. Pimmy was winning, and Pomi didn't like it. Suddenly, he pushed her hard. Pimmy fell down, holding her head.
Ouch! My head!
Nimmi shouted at Pomi.
You pushed her!
Somi yelled back, taking his brother's side.
She fell by herself. Don't blame Pomi.
They all started shouting and pushing each other.
Oh no, they're fighting again,
Momi said, running over. Tom also came running to stop them.
Stop it, everyone. Calm down,
Tom said, holding Somi and Pomi. Momi gently said to Nimmi and Pimmy,
be careful. Accidents happen.
After a moment, they all calmed down. Tom looked at Momi.
I'm sorry for what happened to Pimmy.
Momi smiled at Tom and said,
I'm sorry for Nimmi.
Tom stared at Somi and Pomi.
Come on, let's head home. And no more pushing.
Momi added,
Yes, Nimmi and Pimmy. Be careful next time. No shouting and no running too fast.
The little ones nodded, still rubbing their arms and legs, as Tom and Momi led them home, scolding them. One afternoon, Momi was repairing the fence near her home. Tom came up, his heart pounding.
Momi, I want to say something,
he said softly. Momi looked up, her cheeks turning red. She nodded slightly. Tom smiled and asked,
will you marry me?
Momi's heart beat fast. She barely spoke.
Yes.
Tom's eyes shone with happiness.
Thank you for saying yes, Momi. I promise I will always take care of you.
Tom smiled and walked home happily. Momi stood shy and happy. One day, a huge cock named Alalo came into the forest. He saw Momi and started liking her. A few days later, he stopped her.
Momi, I like you very much. I want to marry you,
Alalo said. Momi was scared and stepped back.
I can't marry you,
she said barely. Alalo was angry.
Why not?
Momi swallowed hard.
I love someone else.
Alalo asked angrily.
Who is he?
Mommy said quickly.
He doesn't live here. I have to go.
She turned and ran, her eyes wide with fear.
I will take you along.
Alalo shouted after her.
Oh God. Help me.
Mommy whispered, trembling and running. Her heart was racing. That night, Mommy couldn't sleep.
If I tell Tom, no, I can't. And Allo, he must never know. I love Tom. He could hurt him. No.
The next day, Tom came to meet her. Mommy was sitting under a tree, lost in thought.
Hey, Mommy. Are you okay?
Tom said gently. Mommy opened her eyes and looked around nervously.
Tom,
She said. Tom tilted his head.
What happened? You look scared.
Mommy shook her head quickly.
no, it's nothing.
She stood up.
I should go home. I will see if Nimmy and Pimmy came back.
She walked toward home. Tom watched her, confused.
What's going on with her?
The next day, Mommy was drinking water from the lake. Suddenly, Alalo appeared.
Hey, Mommy.
He said with a smile. Mommy froze in fear and tried to step back. But Alalo blocked her way.
Come with me.
He demanded. Mommy trembled.
No. I can't go with you. I don't love you. I love someone else.
Alalo's eyes flashed with anger.
I will take you. Whether you want to or not.
Love can't be taken.
Mommy said firmly.
It only asks. It only prays.
Just then, Tom arrived.
What's happening here?
He asked.
You go. I'm talking with Mommy.
Alalo snapped angrily. Tom stepped forward, his face burning with anger.
This is my matter. She is my bride-to-be.
Alalo mocked.
My bride.
Then he laughed.
I will take her.
Tom stepped closer.
You cannot take my love.
Mommy cried out.
Tom! Please, stay back!
I promised.
Tom said softly, looking at her.
I will take care of you.
Then he turned to Alalo.
You cannot snatch my love.
Furious, Alalo jumped at Tom. The two of them began to fight fiercely. Mommy shook with fear. Nimmy, Pimmy, Somi, and Pomi came running as they heard shouting. When they saw the fight, they hid behind a tree.
Let's go.
Pomi said, but Somi held him back.
No, we can't go.
Somi said, tears streaming down his face.
He would hurt us too.
They couldn't do anything as the fight continued. Soon, Tom fell to the ground, bleeding.
No! Tom!
Mommy screamed, falling beside him. She shook him, but he didn't move. Not even a little. Her heart broke.
Tom, no, you can't leave me. I can't live without you.
Tears poured down her cheeks. But then suddenly, she froze. Alolo stepped forward.
Mommy!
He shouted, shaking her.
Come with me!
But Mommy didn't move. She had passed away.
Mommy!
Alolo cried, stepping back, shocked. Nimmi and Pimmy ran toward her.
Sis!
Nimmi sobbed. Somi and Pomi came running, shouting.
Brother!
Tears streamed down Alolo's face. He sank to his knees, whispering.
Love, it cannot be snatched. It only asks, it only prays.
And in his ears, he heard Momi's voice echoing.
Love can't be taken, it only asks. It only prays.